Hi beauties. I figured today I would do a continuation of the last song that I did, which was Ivy Doomsday. I will try to link it somewhere. I think it pops up like up here, or no, up here. Anyways, I'll try to link it in the video. If not, it will be down in the description box below. My friend asked me to do the other two songs. The band, the Amity Affliction, did like a little movie series with 3 songs. Ivy was the first one. The second one is called Feels Like I'm Dying. Again, this is going to be a disclaimer. It can be considered violent and graphic, but I do link it down below. So if you choose to watch that, that's up to you. So with all that said, I've already got it pulled up on my phone. I'm going to go ahead and do my face and my eyebrows and then come back when I'm done with all that. And I'm going to use Sweet Peach again this time because I want to try to keep it the same. And it kind of matches the song as well. I'm going to use this brush by Start Maker, and I'm going to go in with this NYX Professional Makeup eyeshadow base, and it is that color. I'm going to apply White Peach under my brow. I'm going to take Summer Yum with the same brush and apply it to the inner third in patting motions, and the outer third as well, also in patting motions. Actually looks kind of cool without anything in the center. Now I'm going to take just the tip of this brush and pick up some more Peach Pit. Sorry, the color that I was just using is Peach Pit. I don't know why I read the other one. I'm making kind of like a little wing right there. So now I'm going to take this all over eye blender. I'm going to go in with Luscious. So all over eye blender with Luscious. And apply that to the center. Now I'm going to go in with this fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to use Charmed, I'm Sure. And apply that in my crease and a little above it in windshield wiper motions. I'm going to take some Puree and sweep that just on top, like right above Charmed, I'm Sure. I'm going to take a little bit of White Peach and right under the brow again to really try to smoke that out. Now I'm going in with this brush by Start Maker, and I'm going to take Delectable, and that's going to go under my lower lashes. It's not as purple as I would like it to be. I'm going to take that fluffy brush again and use White Peach and put that on my lower lashes as well. I'm done with the eyes. Well, the eyeshadow at the very least. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Last retractable eyeliner in Blackest Black. Okay, so I couldn't find my liquid liner, so I'm going to use this brush by Start Makers, and I'm going to get it a little bit wet, not soaking, and I'm going to go in with Tempting as my liner. I don't know how well it's going to come out. I hope that's noticeable. You could definitely use a liquid liner instead. Like I said, I can't find mine. I'm gonna go in with this Monsieur Big mascara. It's another sample I got for my birthday. It doesn't smell weird. Oh, it's like really clumpy. So I'm going to go in with this fan brush and take the Sweet Peach palette again and go in with Luscious and use that as my highlighter. And I'm going to take this blush brush and go in with Candied Peach. So for lips, I'm torn between these two. I'm gonna go with this one. This is a NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Matte in the color Mauve Mist. It looks copper in the tube. I swatched it last night and it's not really copper. Yeah, I like that. So this is the completed look. I'll take some pictures and make sure to actually post them at the end of this video for once. I keep forgetting.